Welcome to Globetrotters HD. Today we'll let you in on the 11 best street food items to eat in London. Now, if you've ever visited this bustling city, you know that food here is a journey of its own. Whether you're into spicy, sweet, or just downright greasy, London's got you covered. So buckle up, because we're diving straight into the most mouth-watering street food London has to offer. And spoiler alert, your stomach will thank you. All right, let's kick it off with a classic. At number 11, we have falafel, but not just any falafel. We're talking about the legendary falafel from the Arabic Grill at Camden Market. If you've been to Camden, you'll know it's a labyrinth of food stalls. But this one, it stands out like a neon sign in the night. For around £5, you get crispy golden falafel wrapped in warm, fluffy pita, stuffed with fresh salad, and slathered in tahini sauce so good you'll forget your own name for a second. Find this spot near the main entrance to the market. It's a must for all the falafel lovers out there. Next up, we're hitting the famous Brick Lane, and you simply can't leave without trying the iconic salt beef bagel from Bagel Bake. This place is open 24/7, so whether you're rolling in after a night out or just need a snack, they've got you covered. For around £6, you get a perfectly soft bagel piled high with thick, tender slices of salt beef, mustard, and a pickle that adds the perfect punch. No frills, just pure bagel bliss. Trust us, this is not just any bagel, it's a London institution. Moving on, we can't do London street food without mentioning the classic fish and chips. And Poppy's in Spitalfields does it right. This place is a throwback to the good old days with its retro diner vibe and retro prices, but don't let the nostalgia fool you. They take their fish and chips seriously here. For around £9, you'll get a perfectly crispy battered cod or haddock, served with chunky golden chips and a side of mushy peas if you're feeling brave. It's the perfect comfort food when the weather in London is, well, a bit dreary, which is always. At number 8, if you're in the mood for something that'll transport you straight to the streets of the Middle East, head to Edgware Road for a chicken shawarma at Marouche. For just £7, you'll get juicy, spiced chicken, thinly sliced and stuffed into a soft pita with garlic sauce, pickles, and a whole bunch of fresh veggies. The flavors? Explosive. The best part? You can grab one and continue your walk down Edgware Road, maybe even window shop for some bling while you snack. Coming in at the 7th spot, if you're a fan of slow-cooked meats with a smoky kick, this one's for you. Smokestack in Shoreditch serves up one of the best beef brisket sandwiches in London. For £9, you'll get melt-in-your-mouth beef that's been smoked to perfection, stuffed into a soft bun with pickles, slaw, and a tangy barbecue sauce. The sandwich is so big you might need a second pair of hands to hold it, but trust me, you'll make it work. The best part? You can find Smokestack just around the corner from all the cool Shoreditch street art, so you can eat and be artsy at the same time. At number 6, if you want to spice up your life, literally Jamaican Patties are calling your name. Head to Brixton Market and track down Patties. For around £3.50, you'll get a flaky golden pastry filled with spicy, savoury fillings like beef, chicken, or even veggie. Each bite is a burst of flavour, and the best part? You can eat them while strolling around the market, checking out local goods, or pretending you're on a cool food tour. Number 5 has to be banh mi, the sandwich that was basically made to change your life. At Viet Grill in Shoreditch, they offer an unforgettable Vietnamese take on the classic sandwich. For just £7, you get a crispy baguette stuffed with savoury meats. We recommend the pork belly, loads of fresh herbs, pickled carrots, and a killer chili mayo that'll have your taste buds dancing. Viet Grill's banh mi isn't just food, it's a work of art. The good news? You can enjoy it in the heart of Shoreditch, so after you're done eating, you can pretend to be artsy with all the cool people around. The 4th place at Borough Market is one of the most iconic spots for street food in London, and for a good reason. The Chinese kitchen serves up some of the best duck pancakes in town. For around £8, you get crispy, aromatic duck wrapped in thin pancakes with hoisin sauce, cucumber, and spring onions. It's a combination of savoury, crispy, and fresh that you just can't beat. Plus, eating them at Borough Market makes you feel like you're part of a food-loving community. So go ahead, eat that duck and take a picture while you're at it. Next on the list, let's head back to Brick Lane for a little taste of India. Sadeli is the place for the crispiest, most delicious dosas in town. For about £6, you can get a massive dosa filled with a spiced potato filling, served with a side of tangy chutney and sambar that'll make your taste buds explode. These dosas are so good, you'll forget you're in London and feel like you've been transported to the streets of Chennai. And if you're in the mood for something sweet, try their coconut chutney. It's like a hug for your mouth. Sticking with the Indian street food vibe, at number 2, we've got to talk about the samosas at the deli on Brick Lane. These little fried pockets of joy will set you back about £2 for two, but let me tell you, they're worth every penny. Golden crispy on the outside, with a spiced potato filling that's both savoury and slightly sweet. The best part? You can grab them while you're strolling down Brick Lane, which is always full of vibrant energy and cool little shops. Trust me, you'll want to take a few extra samosas for later. And finally, drumroll please, the best street food in London has to be the ultimate British classic, the bacon butty, and no one does it better than the Breakfast Club in Spitalfields. For around £6, you get crispy, sizzling bacon between 2 slices of buttery white bread, possibly with some ketchup, brown sauce, and maybe even a fried egg if you're feeling fancy. It's greasy, it's glorious, and it's the perfect thing to start or end your day with. If you haven't had one of these in London, then have you even really been to London? Well, there you have it, 11 street food items that will have your taste buds dancing and your wallet not crying. Let us know in the comments which one you'd go for first, or if you've got a favourite spot we missed. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Globetrotters HD for more tasty adventures. Catch you next time, foodies!